This is Todd Johnson from Newbie Buick GMC. Gonna do a walk around video on this Cadillac XT5. And it probably has one of the more sought after exterior paint colors with this white frost Tricoat. It's got the panoramic sunroof. It's all-wheel drive. It's got the V6. Gorgeous car. And the interior is so awesome. I think they call it something warm sugar. I can't remember what the exact word is, but look at that beautiful wood tone. It's got the more comfortable, lighter ventilated seats, heated and cooled, triple climate control, panoramic sunroof. We'll open that up here in just a second. Just wanted you to see the inside here. Bose sound, just a really, really classy car. Gorgeous. Rear air vents for the passengers in the back. Rear heated seats as well on the outboard seats. You can see that there. Power liftgate, of course, backup camera, backup sensors. Looks like they have opted for the Cadillac storage system where this little rack can move back and forth, and it's got the privacy cover. A lot of room in the back of these, honestly, and then those back seats also fold down flat if you need more space. Let's go to the inside. Keyless entry, keyless start, remote start, memory seats, power seats with lumbar on both sides, heads-up display. Climb in here for a second. So you got your heads-up display there. It projects on the front windshield. Let's see if I can turn this down just a little bit. All the controls are on the steering wheel. It has the rear mirror camera, so you got a regular camera. There I am, the ugly guy. Then you got the rear vision camera. You've got the 3 programmable garage door openers. We're gonna open this sunshade. Panoramic sunshade with sunroof. I can tell you, being a passenger in the back of one of these that has a panoramic sunroof, there is nothing better than that to feel open and comfortable. But like I said, keyless entry, keyless start, remote start, all-wheel drive. Beautiful car. Let's see if we can get ourselves back to another screen that shows us our mileage. There we go. Let me get in there a little closer. 27,748 miles currently. Has the digital display. Obviously, Bluetooth, everything else. Active lane keep, you see there. Forward collision. I'll double check. I think in 2018, the Cadillac did have the adaptive cruise, but I would have to actually pull it up and see if it was adaptive cruise or just the forward collision alert and lane keep. So there you have it. Beautiful car. Ask for Todd Johnson. My cell phone number is 435-668-9159. 435-668-9159. Thanks for watching. Look forward to earning your business.